what is up? Welcome back to the channel. So today I have something different for you guys. I know I look crazy. I have a VPART wig from Nadula hair. So first things first, let's get into it. According to what Nadula has told me, this wig is very minimal anything. There's no gluing having to be done. There's no gel. There's no sprays. There's no leave out really required. So I'm really excited to, I guess, see. Now you can have leave out. It is optional, but you don't have to have it, is what they told me. So you can freely divide it for styling. It can be used as a headband wig. It can be in different styles because it has a lot of clips. So it is their deep wave VPART wig, and I've watched a couple of videos, you know, and I've tried to, you know, see what's going on. So let's just hope for the best. Now my hair is braided, but I think I'm going to take one braid out just to see what I can do if it doesn't work with it, just that part, because I feel like I need a little bit of hair, just a little, to kind of rough up and make the part look natural, like it's coming out of my scalp. So without any further ado, this is the packaging per usual. Nadula. Inside they did give me some goodies, so thank you guys for that. This is the wig packaging. Of course, the signature drawstring Nadula bag, the silk one. I got 2 nude wig caps, and I got a pair of eyelashes, a pair of earrings, some more caps, and a little edge brush. So thank you guys for that. So the hair got shipped out via DHL. I got it in about 3 days. Didn't take that long. So let me go grab the wig really quick. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the wig, nice and full. It is 24 inches. So let's go first things first and talk about cap construction. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's a comb right here. 5, 6, 7, 8. So there's one on the back. That's great. And then there's adjustable straps, which I've already made at the tightest setting. So if you look really closely, you guys can see there is no like normal U-part type of tracks or whatever where, you know, the clips are. It's kind of like a lace, and I think that's what makes it look natural, and that's what initially helps with the parting. So my hairline is crusty, so I'm gonna go wash it really quick and then I will come right back. Okay, so sorry guys, I had a little bit of ghost spawn, and I thought initially I got it off of my hairline, but I'm so like in between filming, so I haven't gotten, I guess I didn't see that it was in my hairline. So as y'all can see, my braids is a little crazy. So the most prominent line I'm seeing is this. So what we're gonna try to do is do a little kind of side part. This is what I'm gonna use, so let's do it. Solid beats. Okay, so this is how this is looking. Now, because my camera's in the way, I can't really see, so I'm gonna just run and make sure it's on the braid, because I feel like I see a little bit of the braid. I'll be right back. The middle, the parts weren't like made directly down my head when I got my hair braided, because I would have wanted more of a straight part, but for the most part I think it will work. So that's how it's looking. So I'm just gonna try to like rough up my hair a little so it kind of like looks like it's coming out, I guess. Like that. Just trying to make it look a little bit more natural. Trying like this, and then so I'm gonna try to add some product. Debating if I want to add a little bit of mascara and concealer just to kind of, so I'm not sure, but just give me 1 second. A little bit of concealer. So I'm just gonna add a tad bit of mascara. This is why, because the way my braids are is just crazy. I got my hair braided like randomly. It wasn't really like, I guess, planned. But I'm liking how it looks. It looks really natural, like it's giving sew-in vibes. But I'm just gonna add a little bit of darkness just because I don't want to use the dye in a can that I have because it's really black and it like stains everything. And I'm gonna be taking these wig braids out. This is probably the last day of doing like videos for me for now, so thank God I can give my hair a break and just let it breathe. So I'm not worried about the little mascara. You guys don't have to do this. I'm not sure how you guys feel about it, but just let's just get into it. Okay. This, something is telling me to add some baby hair, y'all. I don't know what to do. Okay, so gonna go get my spray bottle and maybe a little bit of mousse, and then we're just gonna work with it. Might try to pull some hairs out just underneath here to get like a little natural, more natural look. But for the most part, the hair looks really good. I think I did okay with the parting. I just really hate that my braids are not the way that I want them to be, but nevertheless it's kind of like a, you know, middle part but not. So I'll be right back again. I'm just gonna add a little bit of mousse just to get, you know, get it going. After playing with it a little, I really like the outcome. I think it looks good. I'm just gonna go closer now. It could be way, you know, the line could be a little bit more precise, but this is what we're just working with now. But for the most part, if somebody was to walk up on me and see it, they probably wouldn't notice, I guess, unless they're all up in my grill. So the fact that I can have this look And I don't have any leave out is amazing because, baby girl, if you know, like, you part wigs and stuff like that, it's very stressful because you always gotta have some leave out, and your hair might not match this, so it works perfectly. So just imagine if you have like actual straight backs and you just do them in a part, it'll probably look a little bit better. This is kind of like a side part, but not. But for the most part, I love it. I think that this is a good idea. This is a great investment to have a wig that is versatile like this, so you can decide how you would want to wear it or whatever. So I am going to try to show other ways to wear it, maybe just the headband way. I can't really do down the middle, sorry about that, but yeah, I'm going to try to show that way, and then that's pretty much it. But all the details for this wig will be below. So thank you to Nadula Hair for sending me this wig. Please let me know you guys' thoughts, because I think it's an amazing invention. Like, you don't really have to have any hair out, and anytime that's great. So yeah.